Hello guys, welcome to another new video on Learn Overflow. In this video, I'll show you how to sign in to your Microsoft Student Partner account for the first time. In this video is mainly for the new Microsoft Student Partners who are facing problem towards signing into their new accounts. So in this account, I will show you how to do that with ease. Firstly, visit your Microsoft Student Partner homepage and then sign in to your account. The next job is to sign in to your account. So to sign in, you use your same account with which you applied to the Microsoft Student Partner post. Now, after logging in, you will come to this home page again, and here you will see your name written as mentioned in your main Outlook account. So click on your account, my accounts option, and then the next thing that you need to go for is to the student partners account. Usually you will simply go for this Microsoft account, but now you will see this additional option, the student partners account. This additional option will only be there for those who are selected for this Microsoft student partner. So just click on this additional account, and here you will see your account details. So firstly, this will be your first name written here, and the whole thing comes as it is. After that, here you will see your print your certificate option will also be there. So initially, if you have just the offer of becoming a Microsoft student partner, then the certificate will be of level alpha 1. Mine is a beta level. I am a beta level student partner, so here a beta is written, but the stages are alpha 1, then alpha 2, then beta. And if you are selected for gold, then you will have the gold that comes in later stages. The process of adding your certificate to the LinkedIn profile and all. So that's all for this video. Hope you will now understand how to figure out how to find out your student partners account and the certificate. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any more doubts regarding the fast sign up, then please comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thank you.